Responding to "What is your name?" question. For your child to answer to the question, "What is your name?" first your child should understand this question and understand what name means. So we need to teach this first before expecting your child to answer that question. Take a pic of the child, in which the child can recognize that it is him in the pic. Take a pic of mom, dad and siblings if any. Take a print and paste these pics in the bedroom wall. Morning time is the best time to teach anything new to the child. They are fresh and calm after they wake up. Immediately after they wake up, take them to the pics. First point to his pic and tell his name. And then point to him and point to the pic and say his name. When you do this, bend down to his level, be face to face. Bend down and look at his eyes and talk. Don't use too many words, just use his name and point to him and the pic. Just do this twice. You can use a mirror and point and say his name as well in addition to this. Then point to your pic and say Amma, and dad's pic and say Appa. Choose language that you prefer. Whenever you point, you use the modeling rules I have been mentioning in my previous videos. Links of which is mentioned in the description of this video. Do not ask question like, "Who is this?" Big no to this type of question. If you are going to ask a question, then you may not get the result what we are working for. No verbal demand. Just model her speech. Next, make an album of people at home, and point to them with a name. The name you use should be the name like how you want your child to call them and not the real names. Use this album and do pointing their names 3 to 4 times a day. Again, just model and point, don't use any other words. Look at their eyes and talk. By teaching this way, child understands that the name belongs to him. Now let's see how to teach answering to question, "What is your name?" The question, "What is your name?" can have following 2 ways of answering. 1. Child can just say his name, or 2. Child can say, "My name is." First, let's see how to teach them just to say the name. We need 2 adults in addition to the child. Adult 1 and child should be sitting face to face right opposite to each other. Adult should be sitting right next to the child. Now the adult 1 asks, "What is your name?" When adult 1 asks this question, do appropriate gesture and pointing. When you say the word, "What?" keep your fingers in "What?" position. When you say the word, "Your," keep your hand on child's chest resembling the word. When you say the word, "Name," point to child's visual picture that you used in the album or in the wall. Immediately adult 2 says the child's name by looking at child's eyes and then looking back at eyes of adult 1. Adult 2 should show child's pic to child and touches child on his chest when saying this. Keep smiling and be expressive when you say this and keep it fun. Just practice this 5 times a day for a week or 2. For children who are good in reading or understanding alphabets, write the name of the child below the pic and point to that while answering the question. Another way of teaching the child to say, "My name is." Take a print of below, stick child's pic and fill other details. Ask your child to fill the details if he can write, or you can write in front of him reading out each of the questions in that paper. Stick the filled sheet on a wall. Take the child to the filled sheet daily twice or thrice and read out each of the questions. If you just want to work on, "What is your name?" question, you just work on it. Stick a clear picture of the child. When you teach using the below print, use appropriate pointing, gesture and modeling rules mentioned in my other videos. To get a copy of this print, send an email to iranfoundationgo@gmail.com with the subject line, "All about me," soft copy, or WhatsApp. This YouTube channel, Speech Without Stress Kids, will be renamed to Erin Foundation soon, and the new channel will have the actual role plays with the child and adult for easier understanding for the parents. If you find this video content useful, like and subscribe. Thank you.